Hey ladies, all of the products that you need to style your wigs and maintain them are now just a click away. Click the link in our bio and visit our virtual beauty supply. We have all the styling products, wig stands, needles, caps, bonnets, flat irons, anything that you need. It links directly to where you can purchase it online. You can find all of these products plus more. Leave-in conditioners, curl definers, whether it's for kinky curly hair, deep body wave, wavy hair. We also have anything you can think of, whether you need a heat protectant, whether you're going for a healthy scalp and you want your hair to grow, all products that you need to maintain your healthy, luxurious, long-lasting wig from Magic Hair Company can be found in our bio at our virtual beauty supply. See you soon.